never seen a streetcar go down that way before. Where are they all going? Where's this one going? That is the question. That's the question. Where's that one going? It's going down that way toward those futuristic buildings. A154. Damn, Sean, where'd you find this? Whoa! That one was wrapped. I'm glad I took video and pictures of it. I was taking some pics. Another wrapped streetcar. Good old streetcars from these were built in the 80s by, by UTDC. I think 4000 got scrapped, but this one's 4027. Yeah, but I do think 4000 did get scrapped. So yeah, RIP 4000. Streetcar all the way down there.